If one day there will be a book about order flow and the reversal pattern, this fits right into that book, because market structure change, the fail to make a new lower low, the triangle, the breakout from the triangle, the swing failure pattern, the reversal pattern, and then down we go. This is textbook.
Hi guys, it's Paul from Team Safehouse once again with another episode of Coffee with George. And if you want to join us for our next public SITREP, be sure to clock in every Monday, 8 a.m. UTC, and it's free forever on YouTube. Let's roll the disclaimer.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read this straight disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
This is what we were doing yesterday in the voice channel. Let's recap what happened yesterday. So the price was somewhere in this area. So this is the daily. This is the daily, this one, right? So the price was approaching the daily. So we've seen this small front run. We start to see some bullish CVD divergences forming here. So obviously the most likely scenario would be a push to the upside. The price spent some time here making this high. It's not the most obvious trade, but you know, one could get involved. Now the price come to this area, and this is the moment when you need to pay attention to what the market structure is doing, because up to this point in time, as you can see, up to this point in time, there is only up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and so on. So there is no real reason to short in this situation. So if you decide, obviously the price could push, but if you decide to take any kind of short here, check what's going on at this daily, right? Because this is the target to the down 0.3. Really depends if that's good enough for you or not. And this is where it becomes interesting, because the price gets back to backtesting the daily, right? So low, lower high, lower low. So actually we can get involved here, right? We don't have confirmation, but we have this. Red flag here was this. The red flag was the price is not able to make a new lower low. So you'd like to see the price making a new lower low, then lower high, lower low for more downside. So the main trading idea was actually this triangle, because the price was kind of forming a triangle here. So taking this one and this one and this one and this one, you can see this line is very, very well respected. So resistance, 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 resistance. And also to the downside, we have this. So support, support, and so on. So we're kind of building some sort of a triangle here, right? Up to this point, so the red flag, why I seen this as a triangle, because a red flag for more downside would be this failing to make a new lower low. So that was the problem. Now you can see here that the triangle kind of breaks out, the back test, and up we go. Up we go, where obviously you see a swing failure pattern, you trade a swing failure pattern. So that's why I marked this. The high swing failure pattern, and you see down, 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 down. So the only thing, this area, again, the daily, this area should be take profit until we get more confirmation, right? And this should be, let's say you trade this somewhere in this area, that's 0.4. Not only the daily, but also this is the golden pocket from here to obviously to here. So you see, very, very well respected. Daily on a golden pocket, that's always good. And then we need to see what's going on with the retracement, right? So the retracement gets back here, straight into this golden pocket, right? And after that, remember what I said here? The red flag here was the price failing to make a new lower low for more downside. Now check what happened in this area. So the back test, so if you missed this one, that was aggressive, you can trade this one. So you trade here, you have your your invalidation just above the high, 0.2, 0.3, no more. And obviously you'd be targeting a new lower low on the chart. So you trade here, this area, right, should be when the price is making a new lower low, should be take profit, because at this point in time you do understand this is an important area, but you have not much of a confirmation for more downside. The confirmation comes from losing some levels, right, and from the change in market structure. So you trade here or you trade here, very, very good trades. Then this is kind of where I stopped the stream. So a lot to learn from this, and this is why I'm sharing this information. And now let's see what's going on. Really important right now, this and previous day value are low, and VWAP needs to hold as support for more upside, lost, and then we get back to this story right here. And to the upside, we do have this previous day equilibrium and the daily. So let's see which one will be tough first, and let's see the reaction. One thing to take into consideration is the news, and if I remember correctly, this. So we do have news today. This is before NY open, like 1 hour before NY open. So let's pay attention to this. The news could potentially bring the volatility.